guys, come again with me. I want to show you about my M47 shotgun double eagle with custom sniper rifle and some part include. This is a ordinary shotgun with ABS body and 40 centimeter long barrel, and we got stock here, sniper scope, rail, and suppressor. Uh, this is a full of picture. This is power is about 40 470 fps with 0.2 gram BB pole, and this is magazine. This is a lookup of this unit. It's long, it's quite nice. I want to show you the performance of this unit. So I want to hit a bird. Oh no, no one bird here, but I want to shoot it. It's hot. This distance is about 70 and until 100 meters. I will show it first. Can you hear the sound? Again. It's hard to get the focus. Can you see her? Can you see that? It's okay. This is my spring customer. Thank you.